I've always known that I wanted to be a historian.
We don't normally learn from our mistakes. If we just studied history, we'd probably be able to avoid them.
Coventry University do something really, really exciting in the history department.
We have a lot of hands-on learning. It's one of the easiest ways of learning.
They've just built this beautiful big building for the arts and humanities. It's got all the tech that you need. I thought, this is cracking, this is amazing.
The support I've received is, I would say, massive.
The lecturers are lovely. They're always there to help you.
They support you academically, and they also support you on a personal level as well.
The inclusion, the diversity, it's the multicultural environment.
There's always a happy face everywhere you go in Coventry University.
I've always dreamed of curating museums. I've loved going to museums.
My ideal future is going to the world of work again, lecturing maybe medieval studies.